gosh, it was a great feeling, you know, just finally feel a part, you know, and just actually out there just making plays and helping out my team, and in the playoff game, it makes it that much special.
He talked about the batted balls and to get the knockdown pass too. What was that like?
That was nice, you know. It's there in the red zone, and we're trying to make a play any way we can, you know. So kind of just saw his hand come off the ball, and I just got my hand up and just knocked it down.
Did Wade tell you guys anything during halftime? Glover Quinn with a pass interference call early in the ball game. Antonio Smith with a personal foul. Was that a point of emphasis at halftime?
No, you know, we go out there and we just try to make plays. You know, sometimes stuff happens, but we just got to move on. We're not focusing on the past. We're moving on, just like with this win. You know, we can't really focus on this game anymore. We've got to move on. So that's kind of how Wade works, and we just move on from mistakes.
Some of the guys said they were concerned about some of the mental mistakes coming into this game, the personal fouls, the penalties, that type of stuff. What does it mean for this defense to have this disciplined type of a game moving forward to Baltimore next week?
You know, it's good. You know, it's just something that we just got to keep up, and just something that we got to maintain throughout the playoffs. So something that we got to take pride in and make sure that we just stay focused and not make many mental mistakes.
This game seemed like another game where confidence never seems to be a problem with this team. You lost 3 in a row, and you came out here like there's never any gap in between the winning streak. Can you explain that at all? Why do you think that is?
You know, personally, I think just losing those games was an humbling experience for us. So it was just good to kind of just get that taste out of the mouth, because we knew what we're capable of as a defense, and I know what our defense is capable of. So it was just something that we had to just take pride in, and just kind of just buckle our chin straps and just go.
As things were unfolding, you got it back to 7-7. It was 10-10. You took the lead on JJ's play and kept extending it. Did it start to feel like a lot of those games during that winning streak where you ran the ball, you defended, you're forcing turnovers, you're putting pressure on the quarterback?
Yeah, I mean, with JJ making those plays, and it kind of just excited us and just kept on just pretty much just feeding off each other's energy. You know, everybody's out there just making plays. Brooks Reed would just say, you know, it was an amazing day for a lot of us, and just something that we just got to keep up.
You mentioned Brooks, JJ, Brooks, you, Antonio, 4 sacks, 4 different guys. Seems like that matches what you did all season, that kind of stuff.
I mean, everybody making plays from different angles, you know. So that's something that we got to keep up as a team. It's something that we just got to keep maintaining throughout the playoffs.
I appreciate it.